So we're going to start off by opening up the hood. Next, you want to unclip all these plastic tabs located on the hood cover. Then you want to loosen the intake so you can slide the cover out nice and cleanly. The next step will be to unclip the hood cover like this so you can access all the wiring and all the clips you'll need. Then you need an 8mm socket to unclip the left side and the right side of the grille. The next step will be to use a trim remover to remove this little cover to access the bolts. Pull it firmly, but not too hard so you don't break the clips. Next, you want to use an 8mm socket again to unclip the right, middle, and left side of the grille to release it fully from the car. Now you want to unclip the water hose for the camera washer. Then you want to unclip the camera like this. Firmly pull off the grille from the left and right side. Now you want to take your lights and you want to click them into designated spots like this. You'll hear a nice click sound. Then using the little plastic pieces provided, you want to put them and lock them on the left and right side to keep the light firmly in place. If you don't feel sure about the lock, you can always use a bit of super glue to keep it in place. Next, you take your wires. Here are the mounted for the aux 6 and aux 1 and 2, located near the fuse box. You want to wire this up nicely so it's hidden, and now you can check by using your aux 1, 2, or 6, whatever you chose to use, and there you go.